Hi, my name's Ken Ludwig, and before I tell you all about GoCleanse and how it works, I'd like to tell you a little bit about my experience with it. I've been working with GoCleanse since September of 2011. I'm 63 years old. I have been drinking protein shakes and taking care of myself for 25 years. I did my first cleanse back there in September of 2011. And my objective was really to lose that 5, 6, 7 pounds, you know, that you get around your middle. I weighed 178 pounds. I was in good shape. Like I said, I took good care of myself. I did that very first cleanse, and the first thing that happened was I lost more than that 7 or 8 pounds around my middle. I actually lost 15 pounds. Got down to 163 pounds. Now, just for a point of reference, the last time I weighed 163 pounds was in 1970 when I was 20 years old. So I was pretty impressed with that, but there were other things that were more important to me. You know, you get to be a certain age and you start to experience those aches and pains of just getting older. A lot of those aches and pains just went away. I thought they were a part of growing older, but they weren't. It was obviously part of the toxicity that was in my system, and they just went away. I had some eczema, and I had it, I'll spare you the details, but I had it in some oddball places on my body. It went away, and I've never seen it again. I also was starting to experience a good deal of reflux in my sleep. It went away, and I've never seen it again. Now, you know, of course, when we're talking about a product like this, we can't make medical claims, but this has been my personal experience. So I lost that 15 pounds. Now, over the course of a relatively short period of time, probably 9, 10 months, I put probably a dozen of those pounds back on, but here's what I did that made it very, very different, was I put it back on in solid muscle. And that was a direct result of continuing to use the protein shake that you'll hear more about here that is at the core of this cleanse. So at this point, 2.5 years plus later, I have coached over 500 people through this cleanse. What I have experienced over time runs the gamut of benefits that I have helped provide for people through this cleanse, and through learning how to pay attention to what they're eating, to adopt a new lifestyle, stop eating idle calories, just to basically adopt a healthier way of being. I have experienced everything from men in their mid-50s who have lost 70 pounds in less than 6 months' time and have put down sleep apnea machines, blood pressure medication, you name it. All kinds of things that are associated with the weight gain, type 2 diabetes symptoms that have gone away, lots and lots of pre-diabetic people that I have worked with who just very simply no longer, after they lost the weight, were pre-diabetic. Go to people in their mid-20s who just got back in shape again after maybe, you know, going away to college, and you get that, what do they call that, the sophomore 20? That's from drinking lots of beer, I think, is what that's about. But I've worked with lots of young people in that realm. I've also worked with a lot of athletes who have gone through maybe a winter where they hurt themselves and couldn't do their normal exercise, so they've gained a little weight. They lose the weight, and what they discover is that these products help to support their body in ways that no other products they've ever used in their life have supported them. That's my experience. And having said that, what I'd like to do now is really just go ahead and tell you all about GoCleanse and how it works. The first thing I want you to know is what this is not. First of all, we are not a diet, not in any way, shape, or form. A diet is about depriving yourself. We're going to do the exact opposite of that. In fact, we're going to provide you with more nutrition than your body is used to getting on any 2,000 or maybe even 2,500 calorie day of your life. We're also going to do that on a limited caloric intake, but you will feel fabulous. This is also not a colon cleanse. People hear the cleanse word, the next thought they have is, am I going to be best friends with my toilet for 5 or 6 days? The answer is no. What we call this is a nutrition-based, full-body, deep cellular toxicity cleanse. Now, I wish we had a different word besides cleanse, but the truth is, that's what we're doing. We're cleansing, but we're cleansing at a different level. This is not about washing out things that are available to be washed out of your body. This is actually a cellular cleanse. What do we mean by that? Well, you know, you and I are swimming around in this great toxic soup. It's like we're part of somebody else's chemical experiment. They never invited us to the party, but we're all here nonetheless. And you understand and I understand that if we are breathing the air, drinking the water, and eating the food, we're filling our bodies full of toxic chemicals every single day of our lives. Scientists have actually identified some of these chemicals as obesogens. What does that mean? Very simply, it means that your body is being forced to produce fat cells whose only purpose is to encase those toxins, store them, and protect you from them. So truthfully, you will never, ever in a million years be able to diet and exercise away those fat cells. Why? Because they're not there for the usual reason you have fat cells. They're there to protect you from those toxins. So what we have here, what GoCleanse is all about, is a totally unique technology. It exists nowhere else in the world. We literally go into those fat cells. We break up the toxins. And the analogy I use is it's a little bit like dropping a plate on the floor. We shatter the toxins. And part of the process helps to make them water soluble. And then we float them out of the body on a river of water that we create quite simply by drinking lots of water. Now, once those fat cells are free of those toxins, they have no other purpose. So we burn them up, and we literally burn them up like matchsticks. The truth of the matter is that for everybody, I mean literally every single person, I don't care if you start with the 11-day fast start or if you do the 30-day cleanse, bottom line, you will lose more weight in the first 4 days, just 4 days, more weight than you've ever lost in 30 days of dieting, maybe even 60 days of dieting in your entire life. And you're gonna do it feeling healthy, energized, and alive, because again, we do the whole thing with nutrition, as opposed to exhausted and depleted, which is how you would feel if you got the exact same results on a diet. Now I mentioned, it's all nutrition based. At the core of the cleanse is a whey protein based shake. Now, I don't know if you know anything about whey protein based shakes, but you can buy them anywhere. Heck, you can buy whey protein shakes at Costco. But what I've learned over the last couple of years is that all whey protein shakes are not created equal. We go all the way to New Zealand for our whey protein. Now that may seem like a long way to go, but we go there for several specific reasons. First and foremost, there are no hormones, no antibiotics used on those cows. Secondarily, the cows are only grass-fed. Now, you don't really need to know anything about livestock. If you ever even just driven by a cow, you've seen that their head is down, they're grazing. They eat grass, that's their natural diet. You never saw a cow eating up the side of a corn stalk. In this country, we pump them full of corn because it's cheap and it fattens them up quickly. But for the cow, it doesn't work that way. It actually is not part of their diet and it compromises their immune system. It's one of the major reasons we pump them full of antibiotics in this country. So, back to New Zealand. No antibiotics, no hormones, only grass-fed. There are no herbicides or pesticides used on that grass. The next piece is kind of a warm and fuzzy, sounds like, for the cows. They're only seasonally milked, which means they're milked 10 months of the year. Now that sounds like, wow, nice vacation for the cows. But the truth is, that just serves to fortify the quality of the protein that we get from those cows. The last piece of the puzzle, and the most important piece for us, for human consumption, is that the whey protein is separated out using a low heat filtration system. Now, unlike the high heat of pasteurization, which is how most protein shakes are made, the low heat process preserves the amino acids that are part of the natural structure of the protein. What that means is that it makes this the most readily available protein for your body to make use of, literally immediately, to support all of your lean tissue. Now, most of us think of lean tissue, we immediately think of muscle. Now, of course, that's true. But your lean tissue is also all of your internal organs, your connecting tissue, and the largest organ on your body, which is your skin. That is all protein-based tissue, and this whey protein supports that tissue in ways like nothing else in the world. Also in this shake is every imaginable vitamin. There is every nutrient. There is every trace mineral. There is a proprietary herbal blend, all designed to be participatory in this toxicity cleansing that's going on at a cellular level. We quite unselfconsciously, we call this whey protein based shake, which is called the Isoline shake. We call it the most nutritionally dense food in the world next to mother's milk. We use that shake in the first 2 days. We have a shake for breakfast, we have a 400 to 600 calorie lunch, and then we have a shake for dinner. On days 3 and 4, we go to another product that comes in your cleanse. It's called Cleanse for Life. It's an aloe vera based product. It is the cleanest, most concentrated aloe vera product you're going to find literally anywhere in the world. And it's a huge participant in breaking up the toxins and then metabolizing the fat cells that these toxins were being stored in. We do that for 2 days. Then on days 5 through 9, we go back to the shake and a healthy meal and a shake. Days 10 and 11 are 2 more days of deep cleansing with the aloe vera based Cleanse for Life. Now, if you're doing the 30-day, starting on day 12, we go to a little bit more normal eating pattern. We have a shake for breakfast, then we have a 400 to 600 calorie lunch, a 400 to 600 calorie dinner, and then we have a shake later in the evening as a snack, if you will. And we do that for 5 days, and then we have 2 more days of deep cleansing, just like we did in the first 11 days. Then we repeat that cycle during the rest of the 30 days. 5 days of shake, meal, shake, 2 days of cleansing. There are 2 other products that come in the cleanse, both the fast start and the 30-day process. One of them is a specially designed snack Its purpose is to maintain your blood sugar balance. It's made out of pretty much the same formula as the shake with a couple of added ingredients. What is maintaining your blood sugar balance about? It's about that idea that we don't want your brain to ever get the idea that someone's put it on a diet. The minute your brain thinks that it's being dieted, it starts to store fat and water. Obviously, that's not what we're trying to do here. So we need to make sure your brain stays happy, and the way we do that is to ensure that it gets the 2 grams of glucose it needs every 4 hours to stay satisfied. The specially designed snacks that come in your cleanse serve that purpose. Additionally, there's another product called the Natural Accelerator. The Natural Accelerator, people get a little confused. They hear that accelerator word, they start to think in terms of mahuang, ephedra, caffeine, or something that's going to jack up your metabolism like you would find in lots of other dieting products. No, that's not what this is about. In fact, we don't even sell anything like that. There are no stimulants in the accelerator whatsoever. What we're accelerating is the ability of your body, your liver and kidneys in particular, to process these toxins and fats that will be moving through it at a very rapid pace. Those are the 4 products that are at the core of your cleanse. Depending on how much weight it is you want to lose, you decide whether you want to do the 11-day or the 30-day. I would suggest that you talk to the person who originally sent you this video, and they'll give you a great idea of what you can expect from each different process and what will work best for you. I want you to know this, and this is important. The person who sent you to this video is someone who is trained to coach you through this process. This is unique and different. You literally have no points of reference in your thoughts or experience of dieting and cleansing that relate to this process, this protocol at all. Your coach is there to guide you through it. Our promise is that your coach will continue to coach you. For as long as you stay with your coach and you stay with the products, your coach will continue to coach you through every ounce of every pound that is that you wish through every ounce of every pound that you wish to release. Additionally, and this is the no-risk part of this whole process, everything we sell carries a no questions asked money-back guarantee. That's really what you need to know at this point. Again, I suggest you get back to the person who sent you this video, and they'll help you get enrolled, get your order placed, get you on your way, coach you through it. I wish you nothing but luck. This is all about each and every one of us learning how to live healthier longer. Good luck.